Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another quick tip to know whether how you can turn off Google Assistant from your Android cell phone. So before turning off the Google Assistant, first check whether if it's on or off. So to check it, press and hold the home key and here you can see that it's turned on. So to turn it off, open Google app and click on your profile icon. Here click on settings and look for Google Assistant. First, open Hey Google and voice match to check whether if it's on or off. And here you can see that it's already turned off. Then go back and scroll down to find General and click on it. And here you can see that Google Assistant is active. And to turn it off, just toggle this button. And then confirm by clicking on Turn Off. Now it's been turned off. Now go back to your home screen and press and hold the home key. And here you can see that instead of running the Google Assistant, it's asking to turn it on, which means it's turned off. And this is how you can turn off Google Assistant. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.